What's up, Home Slice? I heard you want to go fishing for some contestants? First up, you're gonna need some bait. Use this to track your contestants before hooking them in. Then, nab them with your lockbolt to hold them still. I see you brought your sledgehammer with you. Okay, have fun out there.
Coming crazy. Fast I come in.
On the thing.
I'm locked in here with you.
Go for him, you see him? I'm stuck on this ladder.
You're locked in here with me. Stage cleared. Nice! Finish him off! Stage cleared.
That was explosive. Shock and awe, steal that cash out back.
That's alright. I'm gonna distract.
Yeah, you just hold the top. Then.
Oh.
Oh no.
Ooh. No.
Oh no.
What?
That's the worst defib I've ever seen in my life.
Don't judge me. You better not fucking put that on YouTube. Like, what just happened? I hate that you were spectating all of that. I was like, I'm just gonna distract. I was a pretty good distraction, don't you think?
Yeah, you missed every time.
every
time.
That jump pad kept fucking me over and over again. And then I literally landed on the statue and it still missed. I'm like, what the Our teammate was probably watching going, what the fuck is happening?
Wonderful job catching those contestants. You've served me well. Now, take this smoke grenade. Cover yourself in darkness.
And bring me their souls! Yes! More!
Ooh, get over here.
You know, he was slaying.
I just saw that from a distance and it was so nasty. Dude was floating midair and you ganked him.